Alright, cool. So, we're going to go back to this problem here, and we're going to solve it using something much easier, in just one line of code. So we have our for loop. Obviously, we can do better than that. Let's go back, and let's just return collection, okay? And we get the collection of the objects back. So, first thing I can do, we can map through this, right? Function, and then we'll just call it A, and then return A. We get everything back. But, again, we want to get through true or false, so map doesn't actually give us a Boolean value. Map just maps through it to try to return specific conditions on each item of the collection. There's a different method called every, and every tests whether all elements in the array pass the test implemented by a provided function. So if I use every, then I'll get true or false. And we're not really doing anything. You're just telling us true, everything exists, because there is no parameter. So, okay, let's give this some ECMAScript love over here. And we'll take out this, and then get everything where it's at. And it still equals true. So, the only problem is now I forget what I'm doing, right? So, what if we had pre here? Oh, crap. See, I can't type it when everything's back to where it was. I need this, like, to visualize it. I need this to look like this. So, I'll go back and I'll remove it at the end. Okay, return. What if we had pre? It'll tell us true. If we had, again, it's just going to tell us true or false. Everything's going to return true. Oh, crap. How was I going to go about doing this? I've totally forgotten. So if we have the A, it's going to return it true. And then what if we appended the pre? That's how everything. That's the value that it's trying to test when we append it. Okay, that should be it. That's it right there. Now we can go back to ECMAScript. Just deleted everything. Call it good. Should still go, and that's it. It all can be done with this one line of code. Let's test something else on here. Let's try this one. This is supposed to return false. So with this test, we get false. All right. This is supposed to return true. If we just have single, yes, returns true. So that works. We append the predicate to the condition that we're passing through this method for every item in the collection. That's basically how that works. Very simple way of typing this out. And what do you know? We're done.